And we made it. It is the last Wednesday of freshman school year. So, we're going to be working on today in world history. Well, before we go into the assignment, just keep in mind that we'll continue to accept redos and late work through the end of the day on Friday. And also remember, Schoology will be open today, tomorrow, and Friday as well from 8 to 12. This is an individual assignment. And so make sure uh, you don't use other students' work. All right, so what is this Dollar Street project that we're going to be looking at? Uh, so the Dollar Street project is a website, and we're going to use the visualization there to help us understand the world we live in, globalization, and specifically this question here is, has globalization leveled the economic playing field, or has it created more inequality? All right. Dollar Tree is a powerful way to visualize how other people live around the world. Dollar Tree imagines a world where everyone lives on the same street and houses are ordered by income. The poorest people live at one end, the richest at the other end. Dollar Tree really comes alive when you start comparing objects. Yada yada. The more time you spend on Dollar Tree, the clearer it becomes that all of us have the same basic wants and needs, but our means of addressing these wants and needs is quite different. You're going to fill out the Dollar Tree project worksheet below using the website. You're going to be able to pick any 3 families you choose. Um, but again, keep in mind that we're looking at this overall idea. Has globalization leveled the economic playing field or created more inequality? So first, the chart, before I go to the website. So you'll put each of the family names here, the country that they live in underneath. How do they make a living? Right across there, what challenges, and what I dream. So this should be the only writing for the chart. And then in each of these boxes, you can choose to write or insert a picture from the website. So if you choose the picture, it's just one. You want to describe it, 2 to 3 sentences through here. Uh, and then the last question here is, based on the families you learned about, has globalization leveled the economic playing field or has it created more inequality? Explain your answer in 4 to 6 sentences. So again, just making use of the families that you're working at and whatnot. So you're going to be looking at picture of the family home, rather, their access to water, uh, pictures about the family, what the family eats, and what the children's toys look like. All right, so how does the Dollar Tree website look like? When you click on it, open it up, it'll give you this tour thing. You can just click maybe later. All right, and then you can see there are lots of families to choose from. I'm going to choose any 3. All right, now so I want to select this family here from Bolivia. All right, and then from here, I'll click on this section where it says visit the family. All right, and when I do, when I find a picture that I want to use, like this bedroom picture, here's how you're going to have to do with the Chromebook. All right, well, I gotta change the screen. All right, you can see down here this download button. You cannot click on the picture and make a copy of it, whether you're on a Chromebook or a computer. That won't happen. What you need to do is click on the download button. When you click on the download button, if you're using a Chromebook, there will be an option over here on your screen to say copy to clipboard. Click on that. If you're using a traditional computer, it'll download and then you'll have to open it. But either way, so you made the copy of the picture, you go back to the chart, and then you just paste it how you normally do. All right. If you have any questions, please email. Otherwise, I hope as well. It's a change up from other activities and enjoy.